Hello everyone, my name is Anishana and you are watching Prometheus web series. Let's unlocking the power of time series monitoring. Prometheus is an open source monitoring and alerting system designed to track and analyze time series data. I will explain what is time series data, don't worry. It is a powerful tool that helps organizations monitoring their infrastructure, application and services, providing valuable insight into the system performance, resource utilization and potential issues. With its robust features and flexible configuration, Prometheus has become a go-to choice for IT professionals and system administrators seeking a comprehensive monitoring solution. I can understand that most of the people understand very little bit. Yes, if you want full series, please like to my channel and subscribe it so that you will observe new videos. Also, I have my own website that is devopswala.com. I will upload all the content on my website also. So let's explore what I will come up here. The agenda of this web series would be basic of Prometheus. What is Prometheus? First we understand what is time series data. Then we will talk about Prometheus versus other tools. When to use Prometheus and when not, that we will discuss. And after that we will learn the architecture of Prometheus. Further, we will install the Prometheus on separate VM from where we can find the latest package and install. Obviously, due to the security reason, we need to create some dedicated service users that we will follow. After that, understanding the Prometheus configuration file, how we can start, stop, or check the status of Prometheus server, then navigate the URL. At the end, we will work on portal only, right? Further, we will understand what is node exporter. After that, latest packages and install, create a dedicated service for node exporter, how we can add node exporter in Prometheus configuration file so that Prometheus will pull the data. Don't worry, all are very easy to be very honest. Start shop and check the status, navigate the URL, and then we will install the node exporter package on another VM. I will explain you. In job and instances, what are jobs and instances, and then we will talk about some real examples so that we can understand it properly. After that, we will talk about metrics and label. In this lesson, we will learn what is metrics, type of metrics such as counts, gauge, histogram, and summary. What are the difference between where we can use that we will cover in this topic. At the end, we will learn what are labels with some examples. Further, if we go further, query and functions. What are these queries? To be very honest, in Prometheus, we use these queries extensively. We should know how we can addition, subtract, multiple, division, percentile, and exponential. Further functions, we will also explore some functions. Push gateway, what is push gateway? Then we will explore location where we can download the latest packages and how we can install the push gateway, create a dedicated service, and then configure push gateway to send the alarm to our Prometheus server, start, stop, and navigate the URL that we will cover here. After that, defining the recording rules. In this topic, we will going to learn what is recording rule, how to configure it, and explained with examples. Without example, it is not possible to understand it. Service discovery part 1. In this, we will talk about what are file service discovery, HTTP service discovery, and obviously what's the difference between file and HTTP, Kubernetes service discovery, install and configure with example of Nginx server for HTTP service discovery. Further, we will talk about more alert manager. That is a crucial core component of Prometheus. What is alert manager? Why we use core feature of alert manager, search, download and configure the alert manager. Integration of alert manager with Prometheus, lab for core features, alert manager HA, high availability of setups, and then at the end we will go with lab. Further, we will also explore how we can configure Prometheus with HA. In this topic, I will try to cover why Prometheus HA, multiple Prometheus servers, lab for multiple Prometheus server. Further, we will talk about Prometheus Federation and type of federation, hierarchical federation and cross service federation. And at the end, we will have a lab for this. How to remove tools. Obviously, we are going to install everything on the VM. So once we understand how we can download the latest package, how we can configure and understand all the terminology, after that we will going to uninstall all the packages from the VMs. In the service discovery part 2, we will going to install the Prometheus through Helm in the Kubernetes cluster. Explore the Prometheus component one by one, how to check the configuration, how to modify the config file, how to restart the services. At the end, we will going to install the MongoDB exporter here, how to integrate exporter with Prometheus server, that we will cover. Obviously, when we install, we should also learn how to remove the MongoDB exporter. It's just an example of MongoDB. You can install any exporter. I will explain, and how to uninstall the Prometheus from Helm at the end. At the end, we will also cover SLO, SLI, and SLAs that I have not mentioned here, but yes, I will cover that part also. So this web series will be totally free. So please like and subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, please like it. And if you have any question, please comment. I will try to explain you. For these labs, I will use my GitHub page. So each topic I will produce a new video so that this video will be not very big. If you want to learn only how to install the Prometheus, or if you want to know what is push gateway, then you can watch that video only. So bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.